Hello everyone, welcome back. I hope you're doing great. Yes, it has been almost 10-15 days. I guess I'm very inactive in the market. Unfortunate reasons, I'm not being able to be part of the market now. Anyway, what we are going to do is we're just going to see what has happened, what is happening right now, and we'll also look for tomorrow's Thursday expiry. First things first, बहुत important चीज़ें जो मेरे को दिख रहे हैं फिलहाल, ये दिस इज द गैप, राइट ये जो गैप था इसको कवर करने आ गया मार्केट. सेकेंडली जो इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ मेरे को दिख रहा है वो है ये लेवल. नाउ ये लेवल क्यों मार्क कर रहा हूँ, आई विल जस्ट लेट यू नो, जस्ट होल्ड ऑन विथ मी फॉर 2 minutes, राइट. दिस इज एन इंपॉर्टेंट लेवल फॉर मी, followed by again this is our region, right. Now these are some important levels. I'll explain you why these levels are important. First of all, ये important है because it is trying to form a bottom here. बॉटम फॉर्मेशन ट्राई कर रहे हैं, तो अगर ये मार्केट यहाँ पर आके फिर से ब्रेक करता है देन देयर विल बी अ फास्टर मोमेंटम डाउन साइड, राइट. दैट इज वाई वी हैव मार्क्ड इट देयर. नाउ हियर व्हाई डिड आई मार्क दिस लेवल, दिस आई मार्क्ड हियर बिकॉज ऑफ सिंपल रीजन कि ये देखो ये इनसाइड कैंडल बना हुआ है, करेक्ट. ये आपका एक इनसाइड कैंडल बना हुआ है, उसके टॉप और बॉटम को हमने कवर किया है. नाउ दिस विल शुड एक्ट एज अ support in the coming days. Now this eventually is a resistance which should turn into a support level. Now the next important level which I also feel is important is this level. Now this is important because यहाँ पर गैप फिल करने आ गया था मार्केट, ये जो गैप फिल कर लिया है ऑलमोस्ट, राइट. नाउ इफ द प्राइस is able to sustain above this level of 17,300, then yes, we should see a brighter side on the top side. Now if this level is not taken care, अगर यहाँ इस level के नीचे आ जाता है then we might again get into that frenzy zone of moving in a sideways for some time, right. या फिर डाउन साइड थोड़ा बहुत मिल सकता है अपने को. We will see in a shorter time frame, तो और भी क्लैरिटी मिल जाएगा अपने को. Now we'll just do this, right. Now अगर आप if I see in 1 hour time frame, right, in spite of a gap up, right, look at this gap up. After that multiple number of trades have been in a very fixed confusion. There is no clarity after this first 1 hour of trade on the yesterday, which is on 4th of October, right. क्योंकि ये देखो 1 2 3 4 5 full day there was a confusion in the market, right. That is why most of the people in the first 1 hour would have made money and then eventually lost money because of sideways momentum which leads to your decay in the price, correct. तो ये इसके वजह से कम हुआ होगा. Now अभी हमारा important point क्या है कि ट्रेड सेटअप कैसे करें, right. First of all you need to remember that this is forming like a rising wedge, right. Now this you can also call this gap as a stand. This is the one that is forming. Now how do I take a trade, right. First of all, if the price opens in this zone itself, right, which is between 17,180 and 17,300 levels के बीच में कहीं open होता है market, then we will not take a trade, right. We will wait for it, right. We will wait until the price breaks this level downside or its price will sustain and tries to move above this level, right. Only in these two conditions we will take a trade. Now also if you see at open interest 17,200 or 17,100, 17,000 से 17,200 तक, right, which is काफ़ी यहाँ पर put sellers बैठे हुए हैं, right. Now they will try to defend their positions because tomorrow is a Thursday expiry, so we want a clarity of breaking below this or even closing below 17,127. Only then we will go forward to shorting the market because there are good number of put sellers who are sitting in the market. Now यहाँ पर अगर मार्केट 17,300 क्लोज करता है इजीली, then we might get to see a good momentum on the upper side based on your CPRs and whatever you use, Fibonacci or whatever tools you all use, you can look for a preferred thing. I look at support and resistance. Probably the previous resistance should act as my targets once this level breaks. Now शरण, अगर कल मार्केट गैप अप हो जाता है, राइट, अगर कल मार्केट एकदम से गैप अप हो जाता है देन वेट फॉर some sort of reversal and then momentum upside, राइट. इफ इट गैप्स अप यहाँ पर कुछ होता है 17,400 या उसके आसपास कहीं होता है, तो थोड़ा वेट कीजिए एंड देन स्टार्ट्स टेकिंग, व्हेंस इट स्टार्ट्स रिवर्सिंग बैक, रिवर्सल मिल जाएगा, देन यू कैन लुक फॉरवर्ड टू बाइंग इट, राइट. अगर ये रिवर्स करके देन अगेन इफ इट कम्स इनटू दिस जोन, प्लीज डू नॉट टेक एनी ट्रेड. दिस इज अ नो ट्रेडिंग जोन फॉर अस. बिटवीन 17,300 और 17,200 के बीच में थोड़ा रिस्ट्रिक्ट कीजिए अपने आप को, क्योंकि इट बिकम्स डिफिकल्ट टू ट्रेड. Now, if there is a gap down, right, straight away below 17,100, right, not below, एकदम उसके नीचे होता है ना, then we might get to see this as our 17,100 as our resistance level. Considering that, we will like to see if it comes down to take our targets around 16,950 to 16,960 levels, right, which is around this level, right. These are the levels we'll be looking at, right. Agar if there is some impact and all of a sudden the price breaks above 17,154, then hold on to see whether it takes a resistance at 17,200. If it takes, great. If it doesn't and it comes back into the no trading zone, then again hold on to it. Do not trade for especially tomorrow, because there is an expiry. So this is my plan for tomorrow. Nothing much about it, but yes, there has been a slow momentum on the upside from yesterday, though huge gap up. Buyers were not able to take a momentum strongly. Like here, if you see this momentum, right? यहाँ पर से सीधा 10 से लेकर almost 130 तक the markets went up. Here only the first candle was able to take up. Then there was a slow and steady momentum, right? So this is why when such things happen, that means the surety उतना नहीं है market में. Right, so that is why we want somebody to come and take the prices higher or bring it down. We want somebody who has more conviction in the market, matlab the players having more conviction in the market, then accordingly we will take our trade. So this is my plan for tomorrow on expiry day ke liye. Hopefully you have liked it. Please do like, share and comment. Yes, I'll try my level best to ensure to give video on a regular basis, but I cannot promise because of some XYZ reasons. I'll try my best. All right. See you tomorrow on the other side. Thank you. Have a great trading day.